Ready to explode your online sales by tapping into Amazon's massive customer base. First, log into your Ecwid Admin Panel and navigate to the Sales Channels section. This is where the magic begins. Scroll down until you spot the Amazon option. Click on it to start the integration process. You'll see a Connect Amazon button. Click it and prepare to be redirected to Amazon Seller Central. Now, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure it's the account you want to connect your Ecwid store to. Amazon will ask you to authorize Ecwid to access your seller account. Carefully review the permissions, and if you agree, click Authorize. You'll be redirected back to your Ecwid control panel. If everything went smoothly, you should see Amazon connected with a green check mark. Now, configure your product sensing options. Choose which products you want to list on Amazon and set your pricing strategies. All Amazon orders will now appear in your Ecwid order management section, streamlining your fulfillment process. That's it. You've successfully connected your Ecwid store to Amazon. Start selling and watch your business grow.